I am back. Hello primers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be dyeing my hair, and don't even ask, don't ask, because at this point of time, dyeing my hair, yes please, bleaching my hair, yes please, and burning my hair, yes please. So I have dyed it 2 days before, and I kept it like this because I wanted to enjoy this bleached burned out hair, and today I decided to dye it finally, and I am dyeing it. I am doing a purple color basically this time, and again I'm using Strix, and this time I'm using this shade. As you can see, this is again Strix and this is purple shade, very trendy nowadays, and I am so excited and nervous because I didn't use this shade before, and I'm so nervous guys. Let's see what happens, because fingers crossed. Hi, me again. So I came again to just introduce about the procedures of how to do this dyeing procedures. So first is you have to bleach your hair like how I did, and it's not necessary that you have to go to the parlor and bleach your hair, because I've done it in the home and I did it quite good, so you can trust it also. You can trust yourself sometimes, but it's always it's always good to go to the parlor and bleach your hair, because they know it better than you, because they are professional, and there's a risk of burning your hair. And if you're desperate like me, then you can go and experiment with your hair. So the first step is you have to bleach your hair like how I did, and bleaching involves, there's 2 packets. One is the blonder powder and second is the developer. So you have to mix the two thing properly, and I have done it 2 days before, as I've told, and I have not filmed it. So I wish that I filmed it so that it would be easier for you. But if you want to know the procedure, then I'll link that up in the upper. You can see that video, because previously I also dyed my hair and I bleached it, so you can I highlighted it basically, so you can go and check that video out to know the procedure of how to bleach your hair at home. So first is you have to first bleach your hair like that. It's very simple guys, do check out that video, it's just nothing. So yeah, and then after bleaching you have to keep it for at least 30 to 40 minutes. So I kept it for 45 or 50 minutes because my hair, it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, because I don't know, it takes time, I don't know, I'll leave it. So yeah, I kept it for 45 to 50 minutes, and but don't keep it for 1 hour, otherwise you will burn your hair, please. Don't take this risk, because it's your hair. So you go and then just wash your hair and use the conditioner that is given by Strix only. It's very nice, and use that after shampooing your hair properly, and then just wait for 1 day, 2 day, or you can do that on that day also, and just color your hair. So coloring the hair, dyeing the hair, I am going to make you see the procedures now. I'm also excited. So here is the colors, and now I have mixed it properly, and now I'm going to apply it. Wear it gloves guys, it's I think I'm going to be needing my sister's hand now. Blend it properly, like it's very necessary to blend properly, because, and I'm not using gloves because I don't feel it comfortable, and I cannot blend properly if I use gloves, so I'll use without it. My hands are more gloves. Barbie now. Really nervous guys. you want to come? Come in the frame then. হাসিস অনেক খাটি তুই বুঝিস না You guys are very funny.
এখানে আর করে দিচ্ছি
হ্যাঁ ক্যামেরাটা পড়া যাচ্ছে guys you know Bengali oh you're Bengali where are you from do you know Bengali we speak in Bengali I have so many Bangladeshi fans and they text me Didi please make a video in Bengali if I start speaking in Bengali I swear onu na ora opu bole dididerke illiterate black my hair turned into black I'm such a pro you know salon khulba mein nahi
उनका सैलून
shut up
उनका सैलून तो तुम्हें इंजेक्शन चाहिए
1 hour later.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you, a car's coming.
Hi guys, I hope you like this color. I am loving it. It's so vibrant, so bright. I never thought that this color would come out so nice and it would suit me. I never thought this. And guys, before making this video, I just want to tell you a very important thing, that is I did a quite lot of research. I saw many videos on this tricks, purple color, how to dye and all these things, and what I came out to know is that you have to use a lot of packets. If you use 2 packets, then it will not be it will not be enough for you, because then the color will be very faded and it would not be enough basically. So it's very funny that I use 5 colors. Even for bleach I use 3, because my hair it takes a lot of colors, otherwise the color won't come out nice only. So I had to use a lot of colors, and I'm so happy with this color. I'm so eagerly waiting to step out and rock, but abhi to lockdown hai. Anyways, I'm just loving it. I hope you liked it too. I really had a lot of fun, especially look at my hands. It's purple because I didn't use gloves then. My hands are purple. See my nails, it was green before and now it's blue. And if you have watched carefully, then my back is also, so it's necessary for you, very necessary for you to be covered fully, to use gloves and all the things that is necessary to avoid coloring yourself, because I basically played Holi this time. Anyways, I enjoyed a lot. Just make me know by commenting that you liked my hair color or not. Please comment guys, because I am thinking, I don't know how I am looking, because but you guys must tell me how am I looking. I don't know again how my mom will react. My sister said that you are looking like a witch. I don't know, and I'm loving me. If you're not, then don't say that I'm not looking nice, because I'm sensitive and I might cry. Anyways, bye. Hope you like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you the next time.